Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman. Today we are continuing with the 23rd Chaupahi. आपन तेज सम्हारो आपे, तीनों लोक हांकते कापे. Here, let's see word by word. Apana is your own. Teja, radiance or power. Samharo is restrain or control. Ape, you yourself. So here we are telling that Hanuman's power or Teja can be controlled by only who? Only Lord Hanuman can control it, which means his power or radiance is unmatched or cannot be brought down by anybody. Tinom Loka is three worlds. Which are the three worlds we know of? Swarga, Prithvi, Patal. That is heaven, earth and the lower worlds. Tinom Loka Haka. Haka is roar of yours. Roar. Te. From that, Kape is tremble or shake with fear. So we are telling with your roar, the three worlds and anything and everything in that will tremble with fear. That is the level of your power, or what can your power do. But now what interpretations we can take from it? See, how much ever powerful or strength is given to you, you should know to have a control on itself. It's so Hanuman was sent to Lanka just as a messenger, so his duties were defined. He had the complete capability to even win the war alone and bring Mata Sita back. He had already shown it by putting Lanka to fire. But then he restrained his power and he had come back. Similarly, in real life, we should know at what times what is required out of you, where to show how much of your power and strength. Right? So sometimes we'll have to choose peace, sometimes you will have to give it back if the peace is taken for granted or taken as a weakness of yours. Also adding on a little to the previous video where तुम्हारो रक्षक काहू को डरना, that is when you are the protector, why should we worry? Even all these things that we tell about, how to be aware about yourself, knowing what to control when, knowing having a control over your thoughts, everything will be given by your chance and your just reciting your name. This self-awareness, that is, will come to us. Ram duare tum rakhware, that is the consciousness of the ultimate consciousness. You will help us reach there. Now a small reference to Bhagavad Gita while we draw it. On the chariot of Arjuna, which was driven by Lord Shri Krishna himself, still on the dhwaja of that, on the flag of that chariot, we had Hanuman. So on the last day of battle, when they had won, Krishna had asked Arjuna to step down first, and then later he had stepped down. The moment they both stepped down, the entire chariot was burned down to ashes. So it is only the Hanuman's power and the divine protection from Shri Krishna that had kept the chariot as it is. Otherwise, it was long before itself burnt, it could have burnt down, because they had equally powerful warriors at the other end. So when you stand for dharma, you have that ultimate surrender and faith in Lord. That is, acha hua to because of him, bura hua to there is something better that is kept for you, right? Sab unki marzi, everything is his wishes. You are just an instrument for whatever you do. It is just that God is letting you do it, and it is just done through you, keeping that ego aside. So if that is the perspective of ours in our real life, then nothing can stop us, or we will achieve that purpose of life. So with that, we'll stop for today. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman.